If you need to suppress segments and profiles within your Klaviyo account, I am going to show you exactly how to do it. It's actually very quick and easy, so let's check it out. So what we need to do here is go over to the left-hand side. You're going to look for your audience tab, and we're going to go and look for lists and segments. So within here, you'll see all of your lists and segments. Now, to go ahead and choose the segment, let's choose this very first one over here, and we're going to suppress them simply by going to the right-hand side, clicking on Actions. This gives you a drop-down menu, and here you can suppress current members. So let's click on that, and it says bulk suppress unengaged email subscribers. We can go ahead and click on bulk suppress. Now, there is another option if you want to just get rid of these members altogether. If you go to your name on the bottom left-hand side and you look for settings, and you go all the way to the right-hand side on this menu at the top to other. Here you are going to look for profile maintenance, and here you can actually remove profiles. So you can delete people or contacts from a list. So you're going to just click over here. You can find your list. Let's say list 1, and you can delete everybody within this list over here. And it's as simple as that.